Introduction to I Negative Ion Sanitary Pad. The function of negative ions. Negative ions are also known as vitamins in the air, essence of longevity, air cleaner, and other unusual names. Negative ions are odorless, are negatively charged, strongly eliminate the dust, bacteria, and toxins surrounding us. It helps to create a dust and bacteria-free environment. The discovery and usage of negative ions started in the 19th century. The scientists discovered negative ions can make a person feel peaceful and improve his surroundings to be healthier. Likewise, negative ions are very effective in protecting health. The hard work over the years with the credibility of year-long technology company, the invention of negative ions has been successfully implemented into the sanitary pad and is awarded by the country's patented invention. The World Health Organization indicates the amount of negative ions found in the fresh air is not less than 1,000 molecules per square centimeter. I Negative Ion Sanitary Pad exhibits 5,800 negative ions per square centimeter. The high concentration of negative ions has the ability to control the spreading of the genital tract infection, bacteria, and toxins breeding. All genital diseases are affected by bacterial. I Negative ions are very concentrated, can provide large amount of SiO4 to change the environment, normalize the acidic environment in order to enhance biological functions. It has the ability in preventing and improving genital diseases. I Protecting Pad with negative ions is a high standard healthcare product. It is not a medicinal product, no side effects, and other bad conditions. It is also a health product which is approved internationally, a treatment in the achievement of the enhancement of metabolism, improvement of hormone release, strengthen of the immune system, relieve tiredness, relieve stress, antibacterial, anti-inflammation, and eliminate unpleasant odor. Through science with love upon women, health brings prosperity, which is best for women in the precaution on various genital diseases. Illustrate a complete lifestyle, the best and most efficient choice.